1-800-449-8255. This is the Savage Nation. Michael in San Diego, go ahead, please.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that this Arizona law is a completely racist law, and I think we need an organization.
Well, you believe that because you see racism everywhere as long as it's a white man, right?
Well, that state has, which is the Sheriff Joe Arpaio locking people up.
Have you read the law, sir?
Well, I've done enough research on the internet.
Have you read the law? No, you've read Thomas Friedman on the law, but you don't know that it actually mirrors U.S. federal law. Did you know that?
Well, what I'm concerned about is...
Wait a minute, you wait. No, you're talking about a law which you say is fascist, but you haven't read it, so how do you know what you're talking about?
Well, because you have immigrants, you have other people of Hispanic descent.
Wait, sir, you're bumbling. You're going... You are not in a coffee house right now. You're on national radio. You are saying that the people of Arizona are bad people because they passed a law. I've asked you a simple question. Have you read it? And you, like the corrupt leadership of the Obama administration, actually say, no, I haven't read it. So how do you know what the law says?
Well, I've read excerpts of the law, and I've read journals, and I've read everything that I could get my hands on the Internet.
But why haven't you read the law itself, though, I wonder?
Well, do I have time to read everything? Do you read every single law?
Well, but you're here calling as though you're an expert on Arizona, the people of Arizona, and the law. How would you take care of the illegal alien problem and the drug dealing and the drugs flowing over the border? Let's put aside your ignorance of the law. How would you stop the hordes coming over the border?
What hordes coming over the border? I don't see my job being taken away by illegal alien.
Well, we don't care about your job. We're talking about the hordes coming over the border. Even the DHS knows that there are hordes coming over the border because the ICE trucks are all over the streets deporting them. So why would Janet Napolitano deport so many people if they were all such nice people? Cat got your tongue, young man? See? This is the problem. They never meet anybody who can face them with reality, and they shoot their mouths off at a meeting somewhere, some communist, socialist, progressive meeting. Everyone says amen. And then they sound like they're intelligent, and you go all the way up to the White House, you have the same thing. You have know-nothings in high places. Ask them a simple question. Do you know the law? No, but I've read excerpts of it. That would be like saying, have you read the U.S. Constitution recently? No, but I read excerpts in the New York Times, and it says that you don't have a right to express your opinion because it was written by a very reputable man on Prozac, who's afraid of his own shadow, who jumps in the streets every time there's a backfire of an automobile, and he has to go see his therapist on the Upper East Side on 89th Street when he hears a backfire of a car because he thinks that he's at war and that the militias and the right-wing goyim are coming to get him. The goyim are coming to get him. The goyim are coming to get him.